Hi, everyone, and thanks again for joining me. My name is Ian Edwards with Liquid Retailer. The company specializes in building and managing e-commerce websites for retail stores. If you're just joining me for the first time, today we're going to be reviewing what it takes to add a product to your store successfully. So I'm going to go back over to Keegan's Critters, the website set up as our demo test account. And the first thing that I'm going to do is scroll over here to the Products tab. Click on the Products tab, and this is going to bring up the area for me to add my products. Now you'll see, since this store is brand new, I have not added any products to this catalog yet. So the first thing I'll do is click on this Add Products button here. Now I can also click on Add Products in the top right. If you want to do an import, see a future video. We'll talk about what it takes to import products into the system. But for right now, we're just going to talk about the process of adding one product at a time. So I'm going to click on this Add Product, and it brings up a screen looking for all the data points for the product. Now, what's going to be very important for us here is to always make sure that we have a UPC or SKU included in the product. SKU is a stock keeping unit. Going to usually be specific to a company, so many times we'll even have a SKU and a barcode or UPC, because the UPC, or Universal Product Code, is going to keep track of that item across this system and any other system you want to deploy your product to. So it just so happens I have a SKU up over here already for a specific product. So here's my SKU number, and when I search that, I see that this SKU gives me Blue Buffalo Life Protection Adult Dog Food. So I'm going to start with adding this product. So I'm going to copy the SKU here, or the UPC, excuse me. I'm going to post the UPC into the barcode section, and I'll click Save. So right now, and it tells me that the title can't be blank. But now, because I searched that UPC, I know the title of this product. So I'm going to go to bluebuffalo.com and look up so I can get the exact right product title: Blue Buffalo Life Protection Adult Dog Food Natural Chicken. So I'm going to open a new tab and go to Blue Buffalo's website. Now it's very important, only add products to your website from vendors or manufacturers that you have permission to use their images. Do not use product information that you find in Google. So for instance, this information might not all be correct as far as the product description, and this product image is probably licensed or owned by a different company. Chewy could own that image, PetSmart, Pet360. So I want to use only an image from the manufacturer site themselves as an authorized retailer of that product. So if I go in here, I'm going to search for a dry dog food, which I know is what we were looking for. And I'll see here that they have a whole bunch of different dry foods. I know that we're looking for a life protection formula product. I know that this is an adult dog food. I know that it's a chicken recipe. And I think this is going to produce for me the results. There we go. There it is. Life Protection Formula, Adult Chicken, and Brown Rice. Perfect. So now I've got my place to get the product information. So what I want to do is, here's a nice product title. I'm going to copy that product title. And sometimes you might want to copy and paste that into a Word document or into a text editor. So I'm actually going to go over here to Text Edit, and I'm going to bring that up. Going to paste the product title in there, remove the indentation, and copy this version. Now what that does is removes any extra code or any other junk that might be associated with that title. It reformats it. I can copy that and go back here and enter the product title, and now I'll try to save it again. Perfect. Now I've got my first product created, but all we have in here is the barcode and the title. We're going to need plenty more information. So the next thing I'll do is add the description. So again, with the description, I'll take the information from here, copy it. I'll bring it over to text edit. I will copy that. So the format is gone. Enter the information here. Now, what type of product is this? Well, it's dog food. So I'll add dog food. I don't make this product, so the correct vendor would be Blue Buffalo Collections. We'll get to that in a minute, but we don't have any other collections set up yet. So I'll show you that in a separate video, and then we'll edit this product. But the tag would be the subcategory or child category for this product. So in this instance, it would be dry food. Now the price. We know that this manufacturer or that this customer is charging $46. Now the customer will have to tell you the UPC and the price. But let's just say that this is $46. And the weight of the product is the 30-pound bag. Now, I'm going to save that. And now let's say that this product had multiple variations. So what I mean by that, and we'll notice this over here, let's just say that this retailer actually carried the 6, the 15, and the 30-pound bag. What we do in that instance is add these as variants to this product. So if I go back over here to Keegan's Critters, I see this box that says add variant. And we have the flavor set up, Life Protection Formula Chicken and Brown Rice. That's the product. And this product comes in 3 different variations. And those variations are the size of the bag. So there's a 6-pound bag, a 15, and a 30-pound bag. So a 15-pound and a 30-pound. And you'll see all of those get set up here. Now, we might have a different price, and I'll just make up information here. But let's just say we charge $25 for the 15-pound, and we charge $10 for the 6-pound. We also need to enter in the correct barcode for each of these. So if I have from the retailer, I should have the exact barcode, but let's just say that for the 15-pound bag, this is 10. And for the 6-pound bag, this is 9. Oops. Now we have our 3 different size bags with their own barcode for each and their own price. So I'm going to save that. And you'll notice that the last thing we need here is an image. So I'm going to go over here and actually open this image in the new tab. So you see, I right-clicked this product and chose the selection Open Image in a new tab. And that gives me a tab with just the image on it. I'm going to copy this URL, move back over to the back end of Keegan's Critters, add the image from the URL, add image, and there we go. It saved my image. Now my product saved, and if I go to my product catalog, I can see I have one product in here, this Life Protection Formula Chicken and Brown Rice. It's got the price for each variant. It's got the size of the bag. It's got the product here. It's got the description and title. Now, again, I told you we'd get back to the collection, but the tag, which is the child category, is set up with dry food. The collection will be the parent category once we get those set up. Now, there's one last thing I need to do with the product. I need to go in here to click Edit for each of these variants to make sure that the actual weight of the product is correct. So you'll see that it automatically assigned the 30 pounds to each of these variants. So I need to go in and for the 6-pound bag, I need to change the weight of this product to 6 pounds. For the 15-pound bag, I need to change the weight of this product to 50 pounds. Now, these pieces become very important for things like shipping because sometimes retailers will use the total weight of the cart to calculate the shipping price. So these are accurate. And we'll see here that the weight is correct. All of these products require shipping, so this is checked, and these products do not require us to track inventory, which for most instances will be the case. So back to product, and there we have it. If I go back to my product and click on this little arrow here, it's going to bring up my site for me, and we'll see that I have a product successfully added to the site. If I click on this, we'll see the great product details, the image, the description. I can choose the different variations or size, and that will choose the price of the product. And it looks good on the front end for our customer to the cart. Thank you very much, and please join me again as we cover